was flying, and you labor rights was saying that she's flying every day, every day. These were when she was signing with the
I like your reasoning now. I like your reasoning. When
yes.
Mrs. Miller was flying all over the globe, when
Mm-hmm.
she returned to her country, all she returned is kissed and hug. Mind you.
No, 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 no. Yeah,
Hold on.
yeah.
The then opposition leader, Andrew said the time, it's on YouTube, you can go and watch it.
No,
Because he
man, may
went,
I listen? Me
hold on.
listen.
She went to Africa to pay respect to ancestors and the backs of taxpayer. Do you think that is right?
No.
Good. So one of the attacks she got was from that when she said she went to Africa to pay respect to ancestors and the backs
Yeah.
of the taxpayers of this country. I never hear the opposition leader attack her. Yes, we do it on political platform, but the main leader of this party, Andrew, said you should never go to Africa. Go spread
What to
respect.
when she went to sign all these road that Andrew is taking credit for? Did you know
Oh,
that it was the 2030 highway that she signed? All these highway road, is from PG and Portia Simpson. It has nothing to do with your government that you said is building the
good,
country right
good.
now. Because
Can,
she was the one that signed all these roads that up to 2030. Did you know that?
quiet now. I hear you loud and clear.
Mm-hmm.
Did you know that it was Ardley Shaw and Bruce Golding who did it, not Portia Simpson Miller?
No, no, no. I
No,
can
no,
dig
no.
up
Let me ask you a
facts and
question
send
again.
it to you.
Hold on again. I'm
No,
going to ask you again because you say a Portia sign in. I'm going to ask you again.
yeah.
Ardley Shaw and Bruce Golding went to the Exim Bank in China. And one of the money that we got, it was the Jeep money. That one of the loan that we got, it was Jeep. The only thing Mrs. Simpson Miller got as a prime minister was the children hospital that she left languish till we have to go back and renegotiate.
No, no, no. You're not talking facts. I can't. Oh, I need to get your number that I can send you these clippings and everything. It will show you. I have all these clippings. It's not that I'm talking. I can dig up my profile, my fact file that I have. I can send you them. If you inbox me
Hold
and I
on
take
again.
your number because you need to teach
Hold
the
on.
correct things.
Hold on.
You
So you
said
say,
that we preach and lies and we have the correct thing that's why our bloggers are are winning on social media. That's why your prime minister have to be saying no, you want to shut us up.
but hold on there now. Hold on there now. Moving right along. Our next guest. Moving right along to the next guest. Moving right along to the next guest. Moving right along. Moving right along. Moving right along. Moving right. The moderator did not play. The moderator did not play. The moderator did not play, master. Whom don't know. Search me, oh God. I know my heart. I pray, child. Me, your Savior, no. 22. That's a wicked man. Morning, Chavi. Morning. Afternoon program. You want to talk to me, Shirley? My mother didn't play. You want to talk to me, Shirley? I want to talk to you, please. Inbox me, Shirley. Inbox me. And send and inbox me. My moderator not joke. You want to talk to okay. Inbox me. Send me a message. You can send me a message. Tell me when you send me a message, Karan. Me not finish it. Go on with it. Take it one. Kyle, you know, say. Wait, man, me learn a laptop because you say you see it. Take something off I did. Take them off I did. What you do then? If you take away from the poor man and leave them just Wagwan, JJ. Morning politics and sports. Morning everybody. Me not joke moderator. Morning again, everybody. Afternoon, ever again, everybody. Afternoon. Welcome to our afternoon show. Welcome to our afternoon show. One man just company life. Say Porsche sign off on every road and Joado.
You want to make it into heaven, my friend. Be right, son. Oh, if you are a leader.
Me say the man just company show and say every road and Joado a Porsche sign off on it.
And you leave because of power. If you take away from the poor man, and you leave them just to suffer. Oh, if your life is not in line with the will of God, you better serve like God. And if you want to make it into heaven, my friend, do it right.
Carla, morning Carla, afternoon everybody, afternoon. Good day Carla, good day. Karen Shirley. Let me add you if I personally want. Good day, everybody. Good day, Carla. Good day. Big Boot just say, Porsche sign off on every road and Joado. Chantel, hold on. Don't talk. Chantel, send me. Oh, Chantel. Nobody don't talk until Carla not talk. Not yet, Carla do. Good afternoon, Chantel.
Good afternoon, information media. How you doing?
Wagwan. Comrade.
I have watched you grow, and I have to say hats off to you. Big up yourself
Big
and
up
hold it
yourself.
for respect for the work you have been doing.
Good to pick up yourself, my friend. Outside of politics, my friend. But hold on, you know, Big Boss. I see where the members of your party running up and down criticizing the Minister of Health. What's your take on the situation?
Well, I couldn't say the Minister of Health is doing a good job, and I couldn't say the Minister of Health is not doing anything. But not because you don't get zero mean you pass the exam. Because the Minister of Health indeed is doing something. But when you look at the conditions of the hospital, especially in my area in Southeast, I couldn't say he's doing a good job. There is so much room for improvement, and I am looking forward to that because we really need the health system to improve.
Listen to me now. In 1992 to 2006, Jamaica never have a health system, JJs.
Yeah.
Never. Hold on, JJs. I'm going to be very frank with you. You know me respect you where I come from, nothing. You know, Jamaica, I'm your talk without fear or favor now. In 1992 to 2006, Jamaica never have a health system. And even 2007 when Bruce Golding was there, there was no health system was there. And this is no joke. This is no political gimmickry. Karen Shirley message me, but I don't see a message from you, Karen. And there is nothing you can say to me now that can say to me now that the Minister of Health is not doing a good job. He's doing an excellent job to compare to what was there before. And let us take off our political hats. So let us remove green and remove orange, and let us grade this man who is the Minister of Health. This man has done a tremendous job. But yet what? Because I know some of we party are implementing in now do a good job. And that is where the country is going on the wrong path.
All right, you spoke about the years of 1992 to 2007. Remember, it was in that year we got the Mapen Hospital. Remember, it was in that year we got JDIP, Jamaica Jug for the Elderly program. Remember, it was in those years we have NHF, Jamaica National Health Fund. Remember, it was in those years several hospitals was improved. So I can't agree with you on that.
Let me interject a bit. Petlin started big up yourself. And remember, in those years, the hospital system was a, hold on, JJ, I listen to you. Remember, the hospital system was in sham. The same comrade Dr. Dodds could come out and say a garbage bag and piece of soap. And I see so. I am quoting from a senior health medical doctor who said it on national TV. Everybody can see. So what are you saying now? what Dr. Das saying back then was a lie, but what he's saying now is truth? Let me hear from you.
Um, I can decide whether doctor. I can speak only from my perspective and what I have seen. The Lionel Town Hospital. We remember between 2007 and 2011, Roger Spencer was the MP for Southeast Clarendon, where the Lionel Town Hospital falls, and he was also Minister of Health. And I got a little of the 90s, the late 90s, and fast forward to now, the Lionel Town Hospital and many people of Southeast Clarendon will have to agree with me that Lionel Town Hospital is in its worst state.
And I'm going to disagree with you. A couple months back, Lionel Town Hospital get a permit offense for almost $20 million. And this government has taken Lionel Town Hospital from where it once was to an hospice because it was a health center. Now it's an hospice. I mean, you know the thing about it, why we're not getting anywhere. I'm going to be very frank with you. We don't love our country. PNP don't love Jamaica. I'm going to say to you, PNP don't love Jamaica, and we see it. We see they don't love Jamaica. If I know them and
Alright. You spoke about
Hold on. From what I see from comrades, JJ, I'm going to be very frank with you as a friend. I don't think your party love Jamaica because if I know them are implementing. If I know them are implement nothing. Once none of them are implementing a problem.
Alright, let me interject a bit. Earlier you spoke about the fencing of the hospital. You spoke about the fencing of the hospital. It is the same problem Jamaicans are having now. It's like washing a car and spraying the outside, and the engine and the transmission is not good. And it is the same problem Jamaica is having now. We have a minister of health who are more interested in PR stunting than fixing the real issues of our health system. We have seen time to time people crying out, and my heart goes out for those people who are crying out, who have lost their lives because of poor health system, who have lost loved ones because of poor health system. And I want to implore you, and I want to encourage you to tell Dr. Tufton to fix our health system.
Chantel, you're a liar. You're a liar, Chantel. You are a liar. The best health system is right now. What you're talking about your district? What about the other hospitals in the country? You don't see nothing doing with it.
Well, now let us hear from Pete. Trace. Good afternoon, Trace.
Good afternoon. My question is, what's wrong with Lionel Town Hospital? Can
That's
this
the biggest
person go in
question.
details and tell me?
Hello.
Chantel, here's this question to you. What's wrong with Lionel Town Hospital? Peter, Sean, good morning.
Well, you're asking what's wrong with Lionel Town Hospital, and you're asking me that question. I want to reverse that question with information media. I want information to tell us what is right with Lionel Town Hospital.
No, please answer my question. Without knowing what's wrong with Lionel Town Hospital, the minister can't adjust the problem. So please, you're speaking of Southeast London and you mentioned Lionel Town Hospital and you say outside is beauty and the transmission and the engine no good. So the wall pretty but not no good over the hospital. So can you please tell me what's wrong with Lionel Town Hospital?
Karen Shirley,
Lionel,
answer your message. Just say you want to talk to me. Answer your message, Karen Shirley. Go on again.
all right, Lionel Town Hospital, first, it is understaffed. Over the last 3 years, several nurses have migrated from the Lionel Town Hospital. The hospital was without an ambulance for almost 3 months, if not more.
And I am getting message from the minister say it's a lie.
The hospital. So, what is a lie?
And the hospital is out of ambulance for 3 months. I'm getting message from the minister now and he say it's a lie.
Listen, me never finish my story. And the minister come about say a lie. Come on, you know have to fix up an argument when you know talk to good comrade and person. Wait, I'm going to continue, Trace.
Continue,
No,
man,
I have to
continue.
fix up on no lies, you know. I fix up on the misinformation. I same thing the Prime Minister talk about, you know. Because me never finish my story yet. And the minister read that they reach and I tell us a lie before me even finish it. That is not true
You're a
information,
liar.
media.
You're a
And I want you
liar.
to send me.
Carla
I
You
wait.
want
are
you to
a
send.
liar.
Carla wait, make him
Listen,
finish, Carla.
listen. Information media. I want you to send me that text and the time with the time that the minister says it is a lie.
I
Just
want
continue.
That
to
Just
tell you that
continue. Just
has
continue.
because
nothing
it
to
is not
Get
true.
it.
do.
He's lying on the minister, and it's the same thing Prime Minister talk about. The honorable Prime Minister is
Who
talking
matter
about
about on a
misinformation,
propaganda is a
and this
liar.
Listening.
no, but
Continue
Please
listening.
I can bet you that the minister did not say that. It is
Listen, continue,
disinformation
continue,
and
continue. We are give two more minutes,
misinformation.
I
please
don't say.
don't stay on the topic.
See, someone that
Continue.
is 2 grand a video that tell us say a lie, minister does that. Because between the time that I spoke and the time that you said the minister
Why
is
you
lying,
not
it
continue?
cannot be
Just
possible.
continue, continue. Can you see a
So,
light?
You say
Continue.
a lie. Talk, continue.
all right, Lionel Town Hospital don't have a where sitting here where you check to see inside a people belly. Where that the name? Ultrasound. Then don't have that. A
So
big
who bill it
hospital.
never put none there? Who the
The
bill it
last
never put none
time the
there?
Minister of Health,
Let him
you know
talk.
what he came to do? To move the generator from Lioneltown to bring it to Maypen. The health center is in a shambles, and we all know that we have seen people crying over and
No, I never
over.
see a health
And
center
so
with
the
a
system.
machine that take you inside it. I
Listen,
never see a health
Wait,
center
continue,
with none.
continue. Lionel Town is a hospital or a hospice? I'm going here.
Wait,
eh?
wait, wait, info.
Lionel
Wait.
Town is a
Please
hospital or a
continue.
hospice?
Wait, info, man. Info, wait.
You
You finish?
what does that have to do with what we are saying? It is Mark Lioneltown Hospital. The last time it was renovated.
To keep talking.
He mute. No what him finish, you know. But he mute.
A moderator mute him. You talk, Tracy.
From Tracy,
No,
Utah.
but me want wait to find out if he finish because he speak as if Lionel Town a hospital I want something lock up in a room. So nobody else have no experience at it.
Mm-hmm.
You
Okay.
understand? Because
Yes.
me did want to ask him, since when Lionel Town don't have a machine we look in a belly? Since when Lionel Town start become short staff? Because
Yes.
all of them they must be happening since we take office 2016. So all of them they must be happening. Lionel Town Hospital. Nothing man go and teach it and mash up it and duck up. So me did want him finish. Because he speak as if he's the only person who knows Southeast Clarendon.
All right, so Trace, you are saying that all of this that I am uttering, the leaking of the hospital, the outpatient,
Don't
all
put
of this has been happening since 2006 because remember the PNP, the JLP took office in 2007. So the PNP, this happened since 2006. The JLP came into power 2007 and they didn't change it. And in 2016 they came in power, which is 8 consecutive years with the best minister of health, and they didn't change it. So are you saying that the PNP are you saying that the JLP is worse than the PNP? Because remember the JLP have 12 years to change that and they didn't change that. Right? The JLP have 12 years to change it and Southeast had
Take him off here, man. Be a shitty man.
moderator. They're not. You know, they're not. Next person, next person. Trace, cut me here. Okay, okay.
I've received a phone call. Okay.
Khadija, morning, Khadija. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Who is next up to come up? The moderators that manage this program, Chantel, they have no nonsense. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm not seeing the message. I sent you some message a while ago. Karen, look, check your inbox now, Karen. Afternoon, everyone. Karen, me not see a message, Karen. I'm perusing my inbox and me not see a message, Karen, and I sent you a message. Karen, I sent you a message. Who is next? Who is next up here? The moderator moving really grimy this morning. Who is next up there with the political thing? Who is next? Who is next? Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon.
I visit the hospital a few times. So the hospital where I talk about, me surprised to know. The hospital where I talk about, if hospital come on info, first if you use the common sense. Even though I not visit the hospital a couple months now, cause I don't have no reason to come look boy and not sicky like one time. If hospital, if them spend so much money for permit offense and hospital a link, or you spend so much money for permit offense and hospital a link, people are wet up. You must mention say nurse are migrate. Which part nurse now migrate from? Who now migrate if they see better? Some of that me can understand with PMP. They just come on internet to tell one bag of lie and then they degrade the government. The thing is, no matter what it be, it's a step. So we should do everything in a 18 years where them take 22 years to mash up. Them do it in a 8 years where them take 18 consecutive years to wreck and destroy in our country. We fix it back in a 18 years.
2 p.m. Then they move 6:30 to Addison Park. So Brownstone come alive tomorrow night with the night football down there. Crystal Lee go there and save Addison Park. Crystal Lee, the member of parliament for Northwest Senton, save Addison Park. Addison Park in name, she bring over 8 tall light posts and light up the complex and give them multi-purpose coat. When they go there, it was a cane field. It was nothing, and Crystal Lee brought back the life to Addison Park in St. Ann. They're having football down there in Brownstone tomorrow night. So family, you go buy on a popcorn and carry on a picnic, go watch football down there. The member of parliament, Crystal Lee. The member of parliament, Crystal Lee, is transforming the town of Brownstone. And I said good morning to the people of Brownstone and the labor right them down there, member of parliament. She's working tirelessly. She also brought water to the major communities close to Brownstone. The member of parliament for Northwest Senton, where Sweetie Man did there. Big up yourself, Crystal Lee. I hear hurricane heading to Jamaica. Stay safe, everyone. Lynette Walters, big up yourself, Miss Walter. Lynette Walter, big up yourself. We are a hurricane prone zone, you know, so we expect it any time. We just have to just know so we economy in great shape. And I can tell you any hurricane can come right now because we economy in great shape. Great shape. For aftershock and more shock. I say good morning to the most honorable Prime Minister. Good morning to the honorable Dr. Nigel Clark, and good morning to the Minister of Tourism, and good morning to the Minister of Health, the honorable Dr. Christopher Tufton. Despite we have seen where the hurricane has threatened Jamaica.
Favor Williams too, honorable Favor Williams, big up too.
Big up the Minister of Education. And if you big up you, Minister of Education, the people say you're going on good. You're going on good. You picked up where rural read left off, and you continue, you're running well as a Minister of Education. So despite the hurricane threatening Jamaica, we not beg. We not go beg. Lynette and thanks. We are an independent country now under this government. Anybody give me money, I must give them one give it. But we not go ahead and yard go big. And then can see we are come and hide. Big up to Rural Reed. He was a good Minister of Education. Despite what you're going through, sir, you did well. Take a bow. We now go, JJ, we now go beg if hurricane come to Jamaica. JJ's we not going beg if hurricane come to our shores. Thank God and only na power if hurricane come in. The Spark program shot 45 billion. Oh, you know say shot? But I want this for my life to the Father God. Morning, everybody. Tap the screen, tap the screen. Why not tap the screen? Bull, I'm going to give you opportunity to come and tell us where you shot the money. I see where the man who lead the charge where social media blogging is concerned for the PNP, J. Brian. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I extend my welcome to you, sir, as you do on your program. Good afternoon. Then Bull, come tell me how money shot now, Bull. Mr. Foot, good afternoon, Mr. Foot. Good afternoon to you, former Minister Royal Reid, Nicole. God bless. Rose Macala, big up yourself. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You come out here, you got tomorrow. Oh, let me take that card. Oh, you cook the black Balkans, I'm gonna kill me.
I'm a fancy to make me two of them. Got the belly guys say we get me up brother. You know sometimes me a see it's a feeling of shit.
Well, I
remember they get breakfast this morning.
Yes, Karen. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. Now big one here, Patrick. You can't get it. You like my Patrick? No wonder. Good morning, Jay Brian. Good morning, good morning, good morning again, everyone. Good afternoon, Glamour G. I see you here. Good afternoon to the Minister of Roads and Work, the Honorable Nesta Morgan. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Minister, if you're always online, if you're online, could you grace us with your presence, sir? I'm going to try to get the Minister of Transport and Minister of Works here, the Minister of Roads and Work people. Just hold on, give me a bit. I'm going to try to... Good afternoon, good afternoon. I'm trying to get the Minister right here to clarify some statements. And if the Minister say otherwise, I don't know that. Go with me.
Alright, marching on to victory. Never marching, marching on to victory. Jump and shout, tell it all about. We shall have the victory.
And the matter where the comrade and just a while ago about money missing from SPAT program.
You know, it's a giant controversy. I mean, I'm going to really give no argument of controversy traction. And I'm going to satisfy J. Bryan and what him I try to say. Because J. Bryan I behave as if to say him has some auditor general or something like that. Because me don't know how what's about him, why him feel say everything will happen, somebody report to him. Me not depend that with him. This is the problem. You see, they come in and they talk a whole heap of things. And it creates this discussion as if it's important, but it is not. You understand me? So I haven't heard it from any reliable source that we have money missing. And until then I will not participate in such controversy. So I have nothing to say on that.
Okay. You are the political animal here, you know. You are the political. What you say about the children hospital and the comrade asked if the permanent secretary resign and other union came out and said that is a dangerous path they are treading on. So like some headless chicken don't know where to turn, bucking up and say all kind of things are then junk. Where you take on the story? Top of screen, guys.
Again,
Pastor William, Pastor.
info.
I see now.
Yeah, go ahead. You can speak, man. You can speak. Go ahead.
Yeah, man, I'm also encouraging the young people to go to heart and get a skill and try to get a job. Yeah, that's my sense.
You know, I want to say something too. I want to say something. I want to say something. Good morning to all of the JUTC drivers. Not every Jamaican want to see the country go down. And good morning to the well thinking and the patriotism and the good heart of those JUTC drivers. We know about you and then we are sabotage the bus. Yes, we know about Uno. We get a job to fix a bus and a sabotage the bus. But wait. Uno find yourself out a road a sell back because we now make Uno mash up JUTC. Yeah, man, you never know so Uno gonna get bus. The time Uno did a sabotage bus, them fi come out on the road for September morning, we'll fire Uno. We're gonna fire Uno because Uno now work for country, now work for politician. Most things that we never did, I gonna know. And if the bus they're not ready by last part of July, we'll get the Chinese people them to come fix them. Yes, man. Everything we don't put politics in, we don't get the job for do and politicize it. And I mash up the bus them. We don't forget them to fix. We never know so we are gonna know. Yes, we are gonna know and everybody wants the Jamaica go down. And everybody wants the Jamaica go down. So that little man they will sabotage the bus them. Yes, we know you. And the minister coming there. We just give you a warning from now. You can't say you don't get the warning. You can't say you don't get the warning. That man will get the bus fixed with a sabotage bus. Mr. Sir, if you want to keep that job, do what it is right. So Jay Brian, if you know who, call him and tell him if it don't put politics in I bus the people at travel pan.
Art and labor right bill, Art and Jamal. Don't tell no lie. Is labor right bill, Art and Jamal.
Because Spanish Town are the same thing, same way. When the bus come on time, no bus at all 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, we out there stand up. Somebody, the supervisor, them. We have to send off the bus them on time, I tell you about none. Some of them come park up. We have to ask where the bus them park up far. They're not ready. And all them something there. So if you can check out in a Spanish Town with the supervisor, then while we are white shot, them a PMP. Them a sabotage the bus them too.
Me say, we're
Yeah.
not going to sit down and allow them to carry down Jamaica in the name of politics. We're going to get rid of them. If you don't want to work on a politics, you come to preach. Go
Right. When me not tell a lie now, you see when PMP time, you watch at the bottom and move 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, how much minutes them a send out, but now to this at money time now, them a try sabotage it. The bus them come 6 o'clock and I see them want till about 7 o'clock.
I'm going to say again to those persons who work in the JUTC, and not every goat eat bitter weed. The old people may grow with, you know.
Right.
Every goat eat bitter weed. Some of them eat it too.
Last time me tell them in a Spanish Town info, say me I go call the minister. Cause me that look for go clear a UC. And there was no bus to carry half a tree downtown. There is no bus to carry from Spanish Town to New Kingston. None at all I go up UC. Everybody have to wonder what man of course. So a true yata. True. You need somebody to step up on them because them a use politics in it and make the people them a blame the government. You understand?
Judith, I don't know how whole is, but the saying we say, I know every goat eat bitter weed. No, so? All right.
Yeah. How you mean? Me a big woman no, in the 60s me born and me a tell you say me feel it right under certain people them. You hear? Oh. Some of them never remember say when Michael Manley talk say we have to go back underneath mattress, go take out old pants and patch and wear and we have to go look for old crocod's bag. We used to carry sugar first time for wear and put on and make pants. If you tell them no, then not tell us you lie, nothing never go so.
And not every goat eat bitter weed. I am warning those persons who is sabotaging the minister and the Ministry of Transport and Transport. Please leave. Please
All right
leave.
then, info. Me glad you bring it up. True your talk, especially in a Spanish Town where the bus them a run regular. Big up yourself again and make them know.
I am warning those persons who are contributing to sabotage the buses to go out and pick up the people when they leave work. Please leave. 692-840. I am warning those people who are... Sheiks, check it. Check it 3737. Me send it again, Sheiks. Check again, Sheiks. Me send it on the other number. Check the other number, Sheiks. Yes, I sleep if you go sleep, you know. I sleep if you go sleep, you know. Oh. Good afternoon again. Good afternoon. I sleep if you go sleep, you know. And talk me problem, you know. Me say, y'all laugh, J. Brian, I'm giving you a message. I need you to go and tell those persons who are sabotaging the bus and the bus route that either they work or they leave. Either then work or you leave before you get fired and you lose your pension.
Marching unto victory. Labour Party marching, Labour Party marching, marching unto victory. Labour Party marching on. All right, marching unto victory. Labour Party marching, Labour Party marching, marching unto victory. Jump and shout, tell it all aloud. We shall have the victory. Jump and shout, tell it all about.
So through JUTC bill by PNP if you mash you up, nah go walk. Alright guys, you know what? I'm going to take my lunch break. I'm going to take my lunch break. Me I want Kyle. I'm going to take my lunch break, guys. I will be back shortly. I'm going to take my lunch break. I will be back shortly.